Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Before we calculate about critical values or critical numbers, we need to find first first derivative of the function g of x. So we need to do first derivative of this one. So that is about the product rule of derivative. So for this one, we have 11 e to the power of 11x. This one, we have 7 cos 7x. Next, e to the power of 11x, e to the power of 11x. We can do about factorization. Next, if we want to find critical numbers, we put this one equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. So this one we don't have the solution. So we just have only this one. Next, I will put this one go to the right. And we have negative 7 cos 7x. Later that, we divide both sides by cos 7x and 11. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin a over cos 8 equals to tan a. Now, we need to transform this one into this one, and we have tan 7x. Later that, we put all tan for the both sides. So this one we have 7x. Next, we divide both sides by number 7. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.